This is the Jeep Wrangler Rubicon.
Ito lang naman ang number one choice na off-road vehicle na kayang idumina lahat ng klase ng terrain, pambundok, pandagat, pangkalsada, at pang-all-in. Presyo nito ay 5.7 million pesos. Rubicon vinyl sticker on your fender because this is the top spec Wrangler 4-door with the refreshed iconic 7-slotted grills at naka-halo type tayo na LED DRL. Hood vents looks very aggressive and partially functional to lower the temperature of the 2.0-liter turbo petrol engine that makes 268 horsepower and 400 Nm of torque. Front and rear suspension ay may solid axle na ginamitan ng aluminum wheels, BF Goodrich, all-terrain tires 285/70 and R17 with a 35-inch overall diameter. Fuel filler door na disusi para di mapasukan ng putek. Colored red hooks na merong 5,000 pounds towing capability. Honestly speaking, kaswabe, masarap araw-arawin ibaneho ang Wrangler dahil mataas, versatile, pang-akyatan, very rugged, at kahit bukang gusgusin to, astig pa din. Ang konsumo nga lang ng krudo ay 6 to 7 kilometers per liter combined na hindi ito aakma sa taong gusto ng efficient lifestyle. Kaya kung sawa ka na kaswabe sa pino at formal, mag-Wrangler Rubicon ka na. Kasi sa buhay, minsan kailangan mong maramdaman yung alog at bugbog para malaman mo kung buhay ka pa. Watch the full review sa aking Rico Suave YouTube channel at paki-follow na din ako. Salamat and welcome sa Jeep Life.